Right, so, hi, good evening, everyone. So please kindly open your camera if it is possible, and we will record the class. And yeah, thank you very much for coming.
So, are you guys still in your country or already in Indonesia?
I'm still in my country.
Okay. So, if you are still in your country, what time is it there?
It's 7, 8
Okay.
Yes.
p.m.
So, have you had your dinner, Mr. Fo?
Oh no, not I don't eat dinner.
Okay.
Right, so, welcome to the third session of the WIPA class. So my name is Iza, and with my partner here, Mutiara, and we are going to be your tutor to learn Indonesian for this session. So, as you had informed previously, yeah, that the teachers for this class is changing every session. So, actually, this is our very first time meeting each other.
Okay, that's right. Yeah, Ida. So before starting the class, let's introduce ourselves. You can greet us with selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat sore, or selamat malam, depending on what time it is in your country. And then please tell your full name, nickname, and where are you from. Okay, now we will start first ya from myself. Selamat malam, nama saya Mutiara Husnul Khotimah, atau kalian bisa panggil saya Muti. Saya berasal dari Indonesia.
Baik, I will continue ya guys. So, selamat malam. Nama saya Izah Syam Probosiwi Chandra Dewi atau Izah. Saya dari Indonesia. So now it is your turn. And who wants to be the first to introduce yourself to us? Anyone?
Oke, Augum. Halo, nama saya Van Din Bo. Saya dari Vietnamese.
Thank you, Mr.
Saya,
Fu.
ya.
Maybe Miss Rita want to introduce
Oke,
yourself.
hai. Halo, selamat malam. Nama saya Rita. Saya dari Malaysia.
Thank you, Miss Rita. Next.
Halo, halo.
Hello.
Uh, nama saya Tununu Mafleka. Saya dari Malawi, Lilongwe, Malawi. Halo.
Hello, Tununu.
The last one, maybe Mr. Yasin. Please introduce yourself.
Halo, nama saya Yasin. Saya dari Bangladesh.
Okay, thank you everyone. It is very nice to meet you all, and now we know your name and where are you from.
Right. So, we asked you to greet us by referring to the time in your country. So, selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat sore, selamat malam. And so, actually, the time in Indonesia and in your country are different. Yeah. So, for example, right now in Indonesia is 7 o'clock, and maybe, well, some of you are like in night as well, but maybe in other country still like in the afternoon or in the morning. So um what time it is in your country? So to answer to that question in Indonesian, we need first knowing the numbers and how to tell the time. So that is what we are going to learn about. So today we are going to learn about numbers and time atau angka dan waktu. Right. So before starting, I want you to look at this picture. And what are you see from this picture? What do you think this picture is about?
I think it's a schedule.
It's a schedule, exactly. So it's like a daily schedule, yeah, and it is written from like pagi, from the morning until night,
Mhm.
sampai malam seperti itu. And to be able to mention time, we know that time is about numbers, right? So we need to learn about numbers first. And today's objective, actually, first of all, we're going to learn about numbers. We're going to learn how to say numbers in Indonesian. And you will also learn how to say times atau waktu in Indonesian. And now, before you start, do you know certain numbers in Indonesian, or can you mention some of them? Probably.
Ya, saya semestinya saya tahu.
Yes, could you please help me mention them?
Okay, so I go, Mr. Bo.
Yes.
Alright. Ya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay!
That's right. Excellent. So yeah, let's see. So exactly as what Miss Rita said, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So are you guys all, except Miss Rita, of course, familiar with the numbers in Indonesia?
I know only three. Satu, dua, tiga.
All right. So you only know 1, 2, 3. Okay. So here it is, the numbers in Indonesia. After 1, 2, 3, there are 4, or it is 4 in English. And also the next is 5, and there is 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is 10. It is the basic number, yeah, guys. So could you please repeat it together with me slowly? Probably, if you want to, you can open your microphone and do it with me together. Right, so let's say it together slowly, ya guys. 1, 2,
Satu,
2,
dua,
3,
3,
4,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
6,
7,
7,
betul,
right? 8,
8,
that's right. 9,
9,
9, all right. 10,
10.
that's right. Very nice. So there are yeah, these are the basic numbers in Bahasa Indonesia, and that I wish you could like remember it very well. And I think I would like to like challenge you a bit to say it again slowly, but you won't see the words. Is it possible? Of
for
course,
me, no problem.
it's of course very easy for me to tell, but
Yeah.
how about the others? What do you think?
I think 1 to 5 first, I think.
Should we try? Give it a try.
One more time to look, one more time, and then we
All
will
right,
try.
let's go. Let's see. Right.
Okay, time's up. Sorry, Mr. Divan.
All right. So let's try. So the first one is
Satu,
satu. All right. And then
dua,
dua,
tiga,
tiga,
ah,
empat,
Empat.
empat. Exactly. It's empat. And then
lima,
lima. Correct. Lima. Exactly. And then enam.
enam,
Exactly. And then after six,
Tujuh.
after enam, there is
tujuh,
tujuh. Exactly. And then
uh,
the
delapan,
delapan. Right. And then some
Sembilan.
sembilan. That's right.
Sembilan.
Sembilan. And then next is the
10.
10.
yes. Thank you very much, guys, for your participation. So I hope it is enough. Or do you want still to like recall it again one more time before we move?
Mr. Tenunu, where are you? We should hear from you too. Mr. Tenunu must be busy.
Ya. Enam.
Ya, 5, 6, 7, 8,
8.
9.
9.
Ya, after 9, also 10.
10. Yeah. I have
Right.
to learn everything.
Okay, actually, it might be a little bit hard for you because the words are quite, the letter, I mean, is quite long, yeah. But we should moving on, I guess. Right. So after 10, we have angka belasan, or in English is like using the word teen. So like 13, 14, 15, and in Indonesian we use belas. But except for
Belas.
except for the first one, it's not 11, but it is 11. 11. All right. So there are 11, 12, 13, and so on until 19, yeah. Yeah, that's right. Until 19. Yeah, exactly. So do you want to give it a try to say it?
Sure.
Of course. You're expert in it, Miss Rita, right? So come on, try it, guys.
So I start first?
Yeah, please.
Okay, sure. So 11 is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and bonus 20.
Amazing. That's excellent. Well, Miss Rita is the MVP of this class, I guess. Well, right. So,
Wow.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and so on. So it used like numbers, angka awal, dan belas. So it's like 17 is 7 and belas, so it becomes 17 like that. Do you want to give it a try, Mr. Fo?
Sure. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
That's right. So, actually, I have like some activity for you to try. So let's see what we have here.
Oh no.
Oh, how do you say it? Let's see.
16.
16, that's right. Wow, that's amazing. 16. Okay, so it is 16. And what about this one?
11.
11. Good job. Excellent. It's 11. And then this one?
It 16. No, yeah.
4.
4. 14.
14, that's right. 14. And the last one.
Uh, Sebulan belas.
Delapan.
18. Ya, 18.
18. My God, good job, guys. You're so amazing. So let's see what we have next. Oh, it's puluhan. So I want to go back to this first. Oh no, let's to this one. Okay, so can you type something on the chat box, like just testing if it works? It works, yeah. So I will like mention the numbers and I want you no, yeah, the numbers, and I want you to write the, like, how do I say it? Like if I say 18, so you're gonna type this one on the chat box.
Okay.
Okay. So let's start. I have 13. 13, that's right. 13. Okay. And then I have 17. 17. That's right. It's 17. The one you write is actually, what number is it, Mr. Foy? You happen to know?
16.
16. That's right, 16. One more. I have 19.
Let Mr. Dimban find it first.
Yes, it's 19. The one you write down is actually, what number is that?
It's 18. 18.
Yes, exactly, 18. All right, so
Ah.
let's let's moving on, yeah. Wait a second. Okay, so we have angka puluhan. So previously you have 10, which is actually angka puluhan. So in angka puluhan, it's like the 10, 20, 30, 40, the one that ends with T in English. So 20 is 20 and then 30 is 30, and the pattern is still the same. So you first mentioned the number, which is like 3 and add it with puluh. So it's like 30, 40, 50, and so on until the last one is 90, because after that there will be 100, which is 100 in bahasa Indonesia. So let's give it a try to say it first, yeah. Should we?
Should I start first?
Yeah, please, if you would like to help me. Thank you very much.
So start with 10?
Yeah.
Okay, so 10. So when it comes to dua, it's 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and bonus 100.
Exactly. We have 100 at the end, yeah. So, Mr. Paul, would you like to give it a try?
I'll go.
Yeah, if you like.
Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
Exactly. Very good. So, in angka puluhan, we actually have a little bit of like hard version. So it's like saying, what is it? 67. So 67 is 67, which is we also need to say the word 10 and both of the numbers in it. So it's like 67 is 67. Well, actually, Indonesian people used to say it like just 67, but that's not actually really right. So we're gonna learn to say it 67. So if I say I have 22, how would you say it in Bahasa Indonesia?
22.
22, exactly. It's 22. And what if I had in the screen 25? How would you say it in Bahasa Indonesia?
25.
25, good job. And then the next one is 99.
99.
99, exactly. So that's how it works, yeah. So we have to say the numbers and then puluh and then the next numbers that way. So we have a little bit notes here. Okay. Right. So we previously said like 10, 11, and 100. It is mentioned by Miss Rita. Well, actually, we don't really use the word satu for saying like just until for at least 1000, for at least 1000. So we said 10, 11, 100, and 1000. And of course, still sejuta, but it is like acceptable to say it 1 juta, and 1 miliar, 1 triliun is still acceptable. But lower than that, we say it se and continued with the numbers. So 10, 11, 100, and 1000. Well, let's see the example down here. We have 365 and we say it in Indonesia 365. Well, actually, myself found it really like a bit hard because it's too long, but whatever, we're gonna find out. And we have here 2026, which is 2026. So let's give it a try. If I have like 173, let me write it down here. Wait a minute. I have 173. And how would you say it in Bahasa Indonesia?
Uh, 100.
Mhm.
33.
It's 70. 170.
73, sorry. Yeah, 73.
Yeah, that's right. 173, exactly. So, in 100 forms, we have like common patterns. So it's like 100, 200, 300, and so on. So I think it would be just easy because you have understand the previous material. So if I have one more numbers, if I have like 456, and how would you say it in Bahasa Indonesia?
Imperatus. 400 and
Yes, it's 400 exactly. And then
no, can you repeat the number?
450.
No, the number you want me to say in English.
Oh,
400
it's
and what?
456.
yes, it's 456.
Oh, imperatus. Lima 56.
Exactly. Thank you very much for trying, Mr. Paul. I really appreciate your participation. Right. Let's moving on, I guess.
Wow, okay, now let's move on to the second topic. Yeah, so we already learned about number atau angka, and now we will use that angka to tell the time in bahasa. So, time is waktu in bahasa. Maybe next slide, please, Iza. So, yeah. When we want to ask about time in bahasa, we can use two words. The first one is jam, and the second one is pukul. Both expressions are commonly used in bahasa ya. So, for example, if someone asks you, sekarang jam berapa? And then you can answer, sekarang jam 8. And then if someone asks you, pukul berapa? You may answer it like pukul 6.30 atau pukul setengah 7. And now please I want you to pay attention to this example. 6.30 bisa dibaca, you can and read it like pukul 6.30. But in Indonesia, in bahasa, we also say that pukul setengah 7. In English, you may say it 6:30, but in bahasa, we say setengah 7 because it means half an hour before 7. Do you guys,
Mm. Mm.
do you feel confused, Mr. Paul? Okay.
I love that.
Okay. Next, yeah. Next, we will learn how to read time in bahasa. Next slide, please, Iza. Okay, yeah. Let's learn some common patterns ya for telling time in bahasa. The first one is jam tepat, or maybe we can call it a clock ya in English, like 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. And then for in bahasa, for example, jam 2 atau pukul 2. If someone asks pukul berapa sekarang, you may answer if it is 2 o'clock, you may answer pukul 2. And the pattern is very simple ya. Pukul atau jam plus angka atau number. Maybe you want to try it? Just read it, the example. Maybe I want to ask jam berapa sekarang? You can answer.
Jam 2.
Okay, good job, Mr. Fall. Again, next we are going to learn how to read the second time, the second waktu mengenai jam lewat atau lebih. So, when the minutes have passed, we can use kata words lewat or lebih. For example, jam 1:15 atau pukul 3:05. And the pattern is pukul atau jam plus lewat atau lebih plus angka plus menit. Do you understand? Or maybe you have question?
Come again. Explain again on the pattern.
Sorry, Mr. Tununo, can you repeat? Could you repeat?
Yes, I wanted you to repeat the pattern of mentioning the minutes and the hour and the minutes.
The hour and the meaning. This one, the 13 and 15, yeah.
But you didn't say in jam 1 is 1, right? 1 hour. Because it's not.
1:15, yeah. So
You say it's, yeah.
Yeah, in English, maybe we could say one a quarter 50, a quarter or past 15, but in Indonesia, we usually say that jam 1:15. So, do you understand? Yeah.
15.
Yeah, so jam 1 but lewat 15 menit. Yeah. Is it hard for you? Yeah. Maybe.
I have questions.
Yeah, Miss Rita.
Is it wrong if we just say jam 1.15?
Actually, it is true, but not in a correct way. But in a correct way, we can say it jam 1:15, like that.
So jam 1:15, jam 8:30.
Yeah, bisa.
Jam 4:45.
Yeah, we can use that expression also.
So 15 is 15, right?
Yeah,
15, yeah.
15.
Okay.
1 past 15 in English.
Jadi yang di bawah itu, yang pukul 4:45, kita juga boleh sebut jam 5
Kurang
kurang
15.
15.
Yeah, you can also say that. Yeah, or yeah, the next the third one setengah atau half. As I mentioned before, 6:30 is not we can also say it's setengah 7, and this one is not 8:30 is not setengah 8, but it is setengah 9. So why? Because we menghitung, we count the next hour, the next time. Like it is 8:30, but we do not call it setengah 8, but setengah 9, like that. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. The
It's
last
like
one.
yeah.
Yeah, Miss Rita.
What is pukul 9:30? Yang itu yang mana?
Pukul 9:30. It's just expression the other what ya? The other time, like
9:30 means
setengah
9:30?
9:30 or 9:30.
Okay.
9:30 like that. And the
Okay.
last one is kurang or less. If the time is almost the next hour, we can use kata kurang. For example, jam 5 kurang 15 menit, as Miss Rita said before. Yeah, like that. Or maybe we can say pukul 7 kurang 5 menit. Maybe in other expression, we usually also say that seperempat. Seperempat means quarter. So it can be 1:4, 5 kurang 1/4, like that. Yeah. Do you understand, guys? Or maybe you have question?
Itu kena study yang 1/3, 1/4, 1/2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we can learn more about that later on, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
For me, there is no problem. But yeah.
Okay. Mr. Fo, is that clear enough for you, Mr. Tunu and Mr. Yasin? Yes? Okay.
We have to practice.
Okay, can we move to the...
Yeah, following, but I think practice will be required indeed.
Yeah, okay. The next slide, please. Yeah. Okay, so now beside telling the time, we also need to know about the period in one day. In bahasa, maybe satu hari itu bisa terbagi menjadi 4 waktu. The first one is pagi or morning, starting from the sunrise until around 11. And if someone asks, pukul berapa kamu bangun? You may answer, saya bangun pukul 6 pagi, like that. And then next is siang or afternoon. It is start usually from 11 o'clock until around 3 in the afternoon. And the next one is sore or evening. And this period begins after siang or after afternoon and ends at the sunset. And finally, malam atau night start from sunset until just before sunrise. Yeah. Do you guys need to I will repeat ya. Let's repeat together deh. Okay.
Siang,
Yeah.
sore, malam.
Okay. So in Indonesia, satu hari terbagi menjadi 4 waktu. The first one is starting from sunrise until 11 is
Pagi.
yeah.
Pagi.
And the second one is starting from around 11 until 3
Siang.
is
Siang.
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 Okay. The third one is begins after siang and ends at sunset. What it is?
Sore.
Sore.
Sore. Okay, the last one is start from sunset until just before the sunrise.
Malam.
Malam.
Okay, good job. Next slide, please. Yeah, this is the activity ya for pagi, siang, sore, malam, and maybe you guys have the other activity beside this, but yeah, in pagi or morning we usually wake up or bangun tidur and have a breakfast or sarapan. In siang hari we usually have shower or mandi, or maybe we study atau belajar. Di sore hari, maybe we pray or beribadah, atau mungkin kita di sore hari juga working or bekerja dalam bahasa Indonesia. Dan di malam hari, maybe we do workout or olahraga, dan we sleep at night. Di malam hari kita tidur. So, do you guys understand?
Di malam hari.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe let's give practice ya. It's time to practice. Maybe next slide, please. Yeah, so we have this video ya. Please play it, Miss Iza.
Is it audible enough?
Not yet.
Not yet. Wait a
No.
second, yeah.
No, not yet.
Sore dan malam. Mengenal waktu pagi, siang, sore, dan malam. Halo sahabat Mombi, kegiatan apa yang teman-teman lakukan di pagi hari? Sarapan lalu belajar. Benar. Sebenarnya pagi itu dimulai dari pukul berapa sih? Kita cari tahu bersama yuk. Pukul berapa yang disebut pagi, siang, sore, dan malam. Selain itu, kita cari tahu juga yuk, kegiatan apa saja yang cocok dilakukan pagi, siang, dan malam hari. Tapi sebelum itu jangan lupa untuk like, subscribe, dan hidupkan loncengnya ya. Pagi hari. Sahabat Mombi, perhatikan jam ini. Pukul berapa sekarang ya? Benar, ini pukul 6 pagi. Jarum jam yang pendek berada di angka 6 dan jarum jam yang panjang berada di angka 12. Pukul 6 sampai pukul 11 itu termasuk pagi ya. Kegiatan yang biasanya kita lakukan saat pagi hari adalah bangun pagi, mandi, sikat gigi, sarapan, belajar. Walaupun masih belajar di rumah, kita harus semangat ya. Saatnya orang tua kita berangkat bekerja. Siang hari. Pukul berapa sekarang? Benar, ini pukul 12. Jarum panjang dan pendek sama-sama berada di angka 12. Siang hari dimulai dari pukul 12 sampai 15. Pukul 15 itu adalah pukul 3 siang. Jarum panjang yang pendek berada di angka 3 dan jarum yang panjang di angka 12. Kegiatan yang bisa kita lakukan saat siang hari adalah makan siang, mengerjakan pekerjaan rumah,
Yes, Miss Farah, do you have any question?
Understand anything.
Okay, maybe we can skip the video, yeah, because yeah, it is full Indonesia. Yeah, now maybe the next slide, please. Yeah, now it is time to practice, yeah. So yeah, let's start, please. Now, in this practice, I want you to maybe Miss Iza, you can zoom it. Could you? Oh yeah. Okay, wait. Maybe I can help with that. Wait a moment. Isla, could you please turn down your screen? I want to share the screen for this practice. Oh, already. Sorry. Okay. Now I want you to take a look on the pictures on the screen, and beside di sebelah kanan or in the right picture, there are sentences, and now I want you to match each picture with the correct sentence, and we will work together. Yeah, you can choose one correct sentence that match the picture. Who wants to try it first?
Sure. Let me start first.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay, Miss Rita.
yeah. Miss Farah want to start? No? Okay,
Yeah,
all
I
right.
can try. I can try.
Oh yeah, Mr. Tununu.
Okay, I will
Yes.
let Mr. Tununu try.
Yes, the first one that is in green. Are you tidur pukul setengah 10 malam?
Yeah,
Is 21:30.
21:30. Yeah.
Yes.
The next one, who wants to answer? Choose the correct sentence, then that match with the picture. Miss Rita, you want to try?
Yeah, sure. Ayu berolahraga pukul 4:30 sore. The one who is jogging.
Yeah. Next.
I can answer all, but it's okay.
Yeah, Miss Rita is the MVP, yeah, of this class, as Iza said.
Yeah.
Mr. Paul, do you want to try?
I'm not so sure, but I'll try, okay?
Okay.
Ayu mandi pukul setengah 8 pagi. Setengah 8 pagi. I would go 6 o'clock. 6
That one? Or
No,
the
no,
other
no, no.
picture?
Down, down, down. 7:30 pagi.
Which one?
Down,
Sorry.
down, down.
Down.
Down, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Anyone?
I will try.
Okay, Miss Farah, please.
Where is it? Ayah makan bersama Rama pukul 1 siang.
Yeah.
Is it correct?
Ayu makan bersama Rama pukul 1 siang. Okay. Which
Second and the first.
Yeah.
Makan
That
eat,
one.
right?
Sorry?
I think.
Makan siang.
Siang.
Lunch.
Lunch. Makan. Yeah. Makan.
Which picture, Miss Farah?
13 siang.
The 13 siang, yes,
The
that
13
one.
siang, yes. Yeah, 2 more sentences. Mr. Tununu, you want to try?
Ya, ayo bangun tidur pukul 6 pagi.
Yeah, which picture?
6 pagi. Okay, that should be.
No, bangun tidur is study.
But the answer is there's answer here for 6 pagi. I can't see it.
Enam is 6 o'clock, right?
Is 6 pagi? Okay, 6.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yay, correct.
Okay, the last one, yeah. Of course, the answer is that Ayu belajar pukul 8 malam. Yeah. Maybe we
Okay.
submit the answer, please, Iza. Let's see the correct answer. Yeah, good job, yeah, guys. You all doing great.
Okay.
Even though it is hard, yes, to understand. Yeah, now I think there's another practice in the Canva.
Okay.
Oh no. Yeah, dipencet sekali. Press. Well, yeah. Now I want you to look at the clock carefully and tell us the time the clock shows. Who wants to try it first? It shows 10 o'clock.
I know the number, but I don't know how can I say it as o'clock.
Yeah, just give it a try, Miss Farah. I would help you.
The number is 10. Right?
Yes, that is right. And if we want to tell time, then we can say pukul 10 atau jam 10. Pukul 10. Yeah, or maybe if you want to biar gampang, to make it easier, jam.
Jam
10. Like that. Yeah, let's see the answer. Is it correct, Miss Iza? Please. Yeah. Good job, Miss Farah. Thank you. Now let's move to the second clock. Yeah. Who wants to answer this? 11:15.
Ya, 11:15.
Yeah, that's right, Miss Rita. Good job. Is it right ya? Nah, pukul 11:15. Okay. The next clock, please. 21:30. Who wants to give it a try?
Let me just try, but I know I will not get it. But
Yeah,
jam.
that's okay.
Jam 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 menit.
21 and 30. And 21
Yes.
and 24 hour is jam 9 actually.
Okay.
Jam
9. But we can say it's 9.30, but there is another correct ways to tell this clock.
Okay, fine.
Jam 9:30. It is that is the true sentences, yeah.
Because we learned it time, it would hard.
Sorry, Miss Farah, we cannot hear you. We cannot hear you.
Because we learned it for the first time. It would be hard.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Okay, the last clock, yeah. Yeah, it's 8:45.
It is Depanza jam buku Depanza now.
Jam 8.
8 45.
Jam 8 lewat 45 minit.
Yeah, that's correct, yeah. Or maybe we can say it jam 9 kurang 40
15.
kurang 15, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
9 kurang
9
15.
lewat kurang 15. Yeah. That's great. Okay, next slide. Now it is your turn to speak. Sekarang giliran kalian untuk tell me about one activity that you did today, then make one sentence in Indonesia and mention the time correctly. For example, saya berolahraga pukul 5 sore. Okay. Like, is it enough 3 minutes to think about your answer? Only one sentence, ya. To tell.
Saya makan apel pukul 2 sore.
Yeah, that's good.
2 siang.
Pukul 2 siang, yeah, that's good, Mr. Fo. Thank you. Anyone wants to try? Except Mr. Fo?
I eat apple, right?
Sorry?
I eat an apple.
Yeah.
That's what I said. I eat an apple.
Yeah,
At
saya
2
makan.
o'clock.
Yeah, that's correct, Mr. Fo. Anyone wants to try? Mr. Dununu? Maybe you still needs time to think.
Time. I am still trying to figure out the time and the
Okay, you can give me in English, then I will help you to say it in Bahasa maybe.
Okay, I wanted to say I ate lunch at 3 o'clock.
Okay. Saya makan siang pukul 3 sore. Maybe you want to repeat after me, Mr. Tununu?
Yes, go start again. Saya
makan siang
makan siang
pukul 3
sore.
Yeah, that's correct, Mr. Tununu.
Oh, okay.
3 o'clock is.
Let's do it one more time.
Okay, please do it one more time. I will repeat after me, ya,
Yes.
Mr. Tununu.
Yes.
Okay.
Saya
makan siang
makan siang
pukul Pukul
Pukul
3 sore.
Oke. Saya makan siang pukul 3 sore.
Yeah, that's correct. Good job, Mr. Tununu.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Terima
Maybe
kasih.
yeah, sama-sama. Maybe Miss Rita
Sama-sama.
or Miss Farah wants to try.
I don't know. I would say I wake up at 9 o'clock.
I wake up at 9 o'clock. Okay. Maybe you can repeat after me ya, Miss Farah. Saya
Okay.
bangun
Saya
tidur.
Saya
Bangun tidur.
bangun tidur.
Bangun tidur.
Wait a minute. It's bangun tidur
Pukul
pukul
9 pagi.
9 pagi.
Ya. Saya bangun tidur pukul 9 pagi.
Saya bangun tidur pukul
9
9
pagi. Yeah, good job, Miss Farah. Okay, the last one, Miss Rita wants to try.
Yeah, sure.
I believe Miss Rita can do it well.
Saya mandi jam 4 sore.
Yeah, that's correct. Thank you, Miss Rita. Okay.
Saya makan hari jam 12 siang.
Okay. Yeah, do you guys still have confusion or have a question for this lesson?
No.
Feel free ya. Oh, no. Okay. Maybe next slide, Miss Iza. Next slide, please. Well, so guys, how was the class? Maybe anyone wants to share today's class experience?
Yeah, the class is so interesting. Even though I'm Malaysian, I learn new words.
Yeah. It's like mirip-mirip ya, similar.
Yeah.
From Melayu. I also learned Melayu in Upin Ipin.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Maybe
Also love it.
thank you, Mr. Fo.
Yeah, it's lovely. We are learning new things. It's good. It's interesting.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Tununu.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Yeah, maybe that's it yeah for today's class, and thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoy our session. We also very happy to share our knowledge with you guys today, and I'm sorry if I made some mistake because this is our first time, Aiza, to teach BIPA. Yeah, before we end our class. Yes, Miss Farah?
I said no problem.
Yeah, maybe we can take a picture, yeah?
Yes.
Please turn on your camera. A moment. Isa, could you turn down? Okay.
Are you able to see me?
Yes. Okay, I will count from 1, 2, 3.
I don't think so.
1, 2, 3.
Ya, 1, 2, 3. Oke.
1,
One
2,
more, one.
3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Good student.
Good job.
Good job,
you.
guys. Thank you very much for attending this
Good night.
session, ya guys.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
Terima kasih.
Terima
Sama-sama.
kasih.
Sama-sama.
Sama-sama.
Terima kasih.
Thank you very much
Sama-sama.
para
Thank
Miss Rita and
you.
Mr. Tunono.
Thank
You can
you.
leave the Zoom ya guys. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you. Sama-sama.
you.